Yo, what is good, everybody? In today's video, we have the new Yeezy Sulfur right here. I'm actually really excited about this shoe because we actually won this from the Adidas raffle, and it apparently is very limited. So tell me in the comments below if you guys copped this sneaker, because I heard that there was only about 2,000 pairs, or not 2,000, what am I saying? 20,000 pairs made, and 10,000 were on Yeezy Supply, which I took an L on, and then 10,000 on the Adidas raffle, which I took a W on. So there was a lot of YouTubers that took an L on this sneaker, and I'm actually really excited to see how it looks in person. In the pictures, it looks like an olive green color, and the stripe looks a little bit yellow. So let's go ahead and get this box open to see what this sneaker actually looks like. Okay, so while I'm opening this, I want to tell you guys about a sneaker giveaway that I'm doing when I hit 3,000 subscribers. So I'm giving away a pair of NMD R1 V2s, and there will be a link in the description where you can get all signed up for that. So make sure you go check that out to win a free sneaker. Okay guys, so here we have the 350 box right there. It says 350 right there. It says Boost right there. And then we have 9.5 Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Sulfur, Sulfur, Sulfur. Alright. We got a Yeezy fart this time. Okay, so right off the bat, just looking at this sneaker in hands, I will say that it is a lot more green than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like a darker type of gray color, but it's actually very green, which I'm kind of disappointed about that, because I'm not a huge fan of green sneakers. So yeah, so the Prime Knit, it is all one color. And oh, we actually have this brand new type of stitching to where they have a different color of stitching. Like, well, here, let's see if I can. There you go, guys. So it's actually a little different, as you can see right there. In the stripe far away, it looks green, but then once you look up closer, you can see hints of yellow. It kind of matches the laces. And then we have this sole that swoops up right there. I do see some pink in this. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like pink, tan, and brown. So something that I do like about this sneaker is how they have it kind of like the V1s, to where it's not see-through. A lot of the recent 350 V2s that we've been getting, they actually have a translucent sole, so you can see that boost. And now on this one we have a pull tab, and the lining on the inside of the shoe is black, okay, just like the Cinder. This is basically the Cinder, just green, okay? Like, I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of it. Obviously, we've got that yellow right there, just like the Cinder. So yeah, this is basically just like the whole entire design of the shoe is basically exactly the same as every single other 350 V2, except for the stitching on the front. They've been deciding to switch that up a lot. And on the linen that I just got recently, there was a lot of defects on that shoe, and I don't know why, so I'm just going to go ahead and check this shoe to make sure it doesn't have anything. But before we put these on feet, I want you guys to tell me what you think about these sneakers in the comments below. I really like to hear what you guys have to say about the shoes that I unbox. But without further ado, let's put these babies on feet. Okay, so the shoes actually do look a little bit better on feet than just holding them. But, I mean, overall, it's not that great of a sneaker. I do think that it will go up in value since there was only like 20,000 made, so I'll probably hold on to these and then eventually sell them, you know, just depending on how the market reacts to these. But I hope this video helped you to decide if you want to buy these or not, because if you want to buy them, I would go ahead and do it while the shoes are a little lower in price, because they will go up in value in my opinion. So remember that I have a sneaker giveaway happening when I hit 3,000 subscribers, so again, make sure you go check that out in the link in the description. But as always, thank you guys for watching.